Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in your data pipeline, gather diverse, labeled corpora, and prioritize cleanliness. Once done, deduplicate and normalize text. Then train or reuse a tokenizer such as sentence piece or BPE with a target vocab size, for example 50K. Make sure to shard and compress datasets for fast streaming. Next, split into 90/5/5 train, validation, test sets, and verify distribution balance. This gets you from raw text to ready-to-consume tokens, so the model can learn effective representations immediately. You configure the model and training loop. Pick transformer depth, width, and positional encoding that match compute and data scale. Next, choose optimizer and LR schedule. Atom W with cosine or linear warmup often works, and set batch size plus grad accumulation to fit memory. Enable mixed precision like FP16 or BF16 to speed up throughput. Once configured, implement reliable checkpointing, periodic evaluation, and metrics logging. Make sure to use distributed training tools, such as DDP and state sharding, to scale across GPUs. You finalize by fine-tuning on target tasks, adding classification or sec2 sec heads as needed, and tuning regularization and early stopping criteria for generalization. Once performance stabilizes, run robustness suites, adversarial prompts, out-of-distribution checks, latency profiling, and cost estimates. Then package model for deployment with a serving stack, rate limits, monitoring, and a rollback plan. If things go wrong, try restoring a recent checkpoint and rerunning a short validation sweep to isolate whether data, hyperparameters, or infra caused the regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.